Hello everybody, I am Jonathan from Funny Happy Studios, and today I'm going to be showing you my 3 new residential houses. So this one's supposed to be a European townhouse. This is supposed to be a San Francisco type house. This is supposed to be a brown townhouse. A cat is clawing on the door, not now. No, not now. But, so I have these lined up. I asked my parents and family, what's your favorite, like, how do you, like, if I were to put in this position next to this building, how does it look? Everyone voted for this. So it's like this San Francisco house in the middle, and yeah. And it looks very, very good. And I made this one first, this one second, and this one third. The third one, I had the pieces I used was like salvageable pieces I could just find laying around. So first, I'm gonna show you building 1. Let's see if I can get room. This takes up this whole shelf space. So this is the European townhouse. Got a nice little porch right here. Front door. Sidewalk's kind of small, but just kind of makes it really peaceful neighborhood. Let's see if I could try turning this. I hope I don't drop it. I have to pick this up. Hold on. So here's the back. It's just a bunch of junk you would find in a alley. So the sides are exactly the same. However, I did something new, something I've never done before. As you can see right here, I've made kind of like a brick pattern. I love that. That came out very, very good. Got a little electricity panel, trash cans, little bucket, and a banded washing machine. I'm gonna try and turn this around again. Show you inside. The sword keeps knocking back. So here's the inside. Here is floor 1. There's no furniture in these houses, but it does look pretty cozy. And some stairs leading upstairs. This one, however, on the second floor has a fish tank. And there's nothing else. But there's more. There's a third floor. You thought that was the end. Well, nope, it isn't. Kind of small and hard to get in here, but you can see the stairs. And then you got a red bed. Just right there. I can't stick the camera in here. Alright, so that was the European townhouse. We set this down and put this somewhere else, so we would have much more room. Alright, for the second building, it's the San Francisco house. I really love this one. It has a garage on the first floor, and the whole house is on top of the garage. Here's the front, balcony, long stairs, the door that goes into the garage. There's nothing in the alley because This is just one stud. I know, cat, I know. I'm recording. See if I can get... Alright. Here is the garage. It just has a bike and a boat in it. Garage does not open. Little drawer. Sorry, shelf. Door that goes to the little door out here. Entrance to the garage. The boat was a nice touch because usually that's what you find in most garages. The first floor is nothing but a nice bay window. I can't move my shadow. Then the third floor. Railing. You could put a bed in here. Don't know how you could. And a door to the balcony. Room for a railing is kind of small. Like room to walk a minifigure with the balcony. Battery is low on this camera, but since we got an editing system, that's gonna be no problem. I can just edit it. So this might cut off pretty soon. This is the brown townhouse. And as you can see, there's kind of a little bit discolor. But as I said before, this is from pieces I could salvage. I just found laying around. The alley has flowers and I think nice cardboard box. I'm amazed with a cardboard box. You got fire escape. There's nothing inside and no staircases. So to get to the second floor, it's questionable, and nothing on the second floor. Thank you for watching, everybody. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Press the bell notification to upload a video. If you use a mobile app, that's fine too. Just click the bell, subscribe, and you're good to go. I also have an announcement. Every Sunday, I will be going and doing a live stream. Every Sunday. Sunday stream. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!